Hello student, in this lecture we want to study the next function entropy, the next thermodynamic function entropy. What is mean by entropy? Entropy, this is the thermodynamic function is used to measure the disorder or randomness of a molecule in a system, that is called entropy. So very simple. Entropy, it is the thermodynamics function which is used to measure the disorder or the randomness in a system, that is called entropy. Again same, entropy, it is an extensive property, that is its value depends on the quantity of a matter. उसके बाद में next one, it is a state function, that is its value depends on initial and final state only. Then the absolute value of entropy cannot be determined, but the change in entropy can be calculated as, that is the final minus initial या फिर product minus reactant. By using this you can determine the entropy. Now the change in entropy is also used to determine the spontaneity. Change in entropy is also used to determine the spontaneity. Of spontaneity and entropy. If the delta S is positive, then the system will be spontaneous. Then the reaction will be spontaneous. Delta S अगर negative है तो it is non-spontaneous. Spontaneous का मतलब a system, a process which occur या फिर reaction which occur by using its own accord. There is no need of external agency. The process is called spontaneous process. जैसा for example flow of water from higher level to lower layer, या फिर flow of heat from hot body to cold body, flow of electron from the negative electrode to positive electrode, that is called a spontaneous process. Or when delta S equal to 0, then it is the state of equilibrium. लेकिन ख्याल में रखने का, for spontaneity it is not a only criteria of a entropy. सिर्फ entropy पर से अपन spontaneity decide नहीं कर सकते. One of the criteria to decide the spontaneity. तो delta S is positive अगर है तो process will be spontaneous. delta S negative है तो it is non spontaneous. delta S positive है तो प्रोसेस इन इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट अपन बोल सकते हैं. तो डेल्टा एस कैसे, प्रोडक्ट माइनस रिएक्टेंट. अब अगेन व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स व्हिच अफेक्ट ऑन द एंट्रोपी. जैसा ऑर्डर ऑफ एंट्रोपी, the order of entropy, that is the solid shows minimum entropy while gaseous state maximum entropy, while the liquid state shows the in between these two. The solid having a less entropy than liquid than that of the gases. तो gaseous state में सबसे ज्यादा disorder रहेगा, सबसे ज्यादा entropy रहेगी. उसके बाद में what are the factors which affects on entropy? Factors affecting on entropy ख्याल में रखने का. This is the very important trick to find a spontaneity. तो यहाँ पर पहला फैक्टर अमाउंट. इफ द अमाउंट इंक्रीजेस एंट्रोपी इंक्रीजेस डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. जैसा फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 10 मोल्स ऑफ हीलियम अगर है, हीलियम गैस, तो हैविंग ए मोर एंट्रोपी देन दैट ऑफ द 2 मोल्स ऑफ ए हीलियम गैस. 10 moles of helium gas having a more entropy than that of the 2 moles of helium gas. उसके बाद में volume is directly proportional to the entropy. वैसे same, suppose 10 liter helium gas having a more entropy than that of the 2 liter helium gas. Third factor, that is called temperature. As the temperature increases, what happen? Randomness increases because of increase the kinetic energy, so entropy increases. उसके बाद में next one is pressure. As the pressure increases, what happen? The molecule come closer, so randomness decreases, entropy डिक्रीजेस। तो ख्याल में रखने का, एज द प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस एंट्रोपी डिक्रीजेस। अगर समझो अपन ने यहाँ पर सपोज 10 लीटर हीलियम गैस लिया, 10 लीटर हीलियम गैस, और यहाँ पर भी 10 लीटर हीलियम गैस लिया, और दिस 10 लीटर हीलियम गैस इज प्लेस इन अ कंटेनर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर 1 atm। अगर यहाँ पर अपन 10 लीटर हीलियम गैस, अगर यहाँ पर 5 atm प्रेशर लेते हैं तो व्हाट हैपन, यहाँ पर गैस कॉम्प्रेस हो जाएगा, रैंडमनेस डिक्रीजेस, एंट्रोपी डिक्रीजेस। तो लो प्रेशर पर रैंडमनेस ज्यादा रहेगा। सो एज द प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस एंट्रोपी डिक्रीजेस। क्लियर? अगेन, और फाइंड आउट द डेल्टा एस इज पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव, or from which we can tell us whether the process is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. उसके बाद में next one is that is the, अगर complex compound है, complex molecule having more entropy than that of the simpler molecule या फिर simpler compound, जैसा for example entropy of a acetic acid is more than that of the entropy of a ethyl alcohol. Entropy of acetic acid is more than that of the entropy of a ethyl alcohol. उसके बाद में again heavier molecule having more entropy than that of the, that is the lighter molecule, than that of the lighter molecule. जैसा for example that is the entropy of a iodine gas is more than that of the entropy of a fluorine gas. Entropy of a iodine gas is more than that of the fluorine gas. So these are the number of factors which are responsible for the entropy. तो ख्याल में रखने का, डिसऑर्डर के लिए ये फैक्टर्स, amount increases, entropy increases, volume increases, entropy increases, temperature increases, entropy increases, लेकिन pressure increases, entropy decreases while solving the numerical based on CET या फिर the NEET में। तो ये these are important factor. Complex molecule, complex compound having a more entropy than simpler, heavier compound having a more entropy than that of the lighter. तो ये हो गया about the entropy. Now let us study the change in entropy. Change in entropy. So change in entropy, that is delta S. तो what is mean by delta S? Delta S का मतलब that is the change in entropy of a system. Change in entropy of a system is the ratio of the amount of heat transfer in it in a reversible manner at which the temperature, absolute temperature at which the heat transfer takes place, that is called a change in entropy. The simple definition, what is the change in entropy? That is the change in entropy is equal to the, या फिर change in entropy is the heat transfer to the system in a reversible manner. Heat transfer to the system in a reversible manner divided by the temperature in Kelvin at which the heat transfer takes place, that is called a change in entropy. So delta S equal to Q reversible upon T. या फिर we can say that is the delta S of a system is equal to delta H upon T, change in entropy. System and surrounding equal but opposite, so here surrounding के लिए क्या आ जाएगा फिर minus delta H upon T. तो these are the three expression while solving the numericals, ये ख्याल में रखने का. और last point, that is the unit of a entropy. The unit of entropy, this is the important. तो क्या आ जाएगा फिर unit of entropy Q reversible, that is it is passed in a joule. It is the unit of a Q reversible, it is joule, और temperature it is Kelvin. तो जूल पर केल्विन, दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ ए एंट्रोपी। क्लियर? तो ये होगा अबाउट द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन एंट्रोपी।